Hey guys, I wanted to introduce to you this new kit.The professional hair clippers that I received. Comes with a cape, oil, charger, and a cleaning brush. You have 1 through 4 guards, and then the clippers themselves. They're fast charging in just 3 hours, and they have 240 minutes of usage. All it takes is a USB to get it to charge up. So there is that LED digital screen that tells you the battery life that's left. You have stainless steel blades, low noise for kids. It's heavy duty motor, so it's cord or cordless. The motor is a operating voltage of 3 volts, and the centering material is an anti-wear brass. The battery is a high-performance lithium battery, and as I said, it has a charging time of 3 hours and an operating time of 4 hours. I enjoyed cutting my son's hair with these new professional hair clippers, so I hope you guys enjoy them as much as we have.